What's up guys, my name is Nick Gunther and behind me is my 2020 Toyota Tundra SR5 that I'm currently in the process of building a pop-up camper shell for. I started looking for a camper about a year and a half ago with no luck. The new campers are a little bit out of my budget with a wait time that's super insane. It's about a year more right now, so I wasn't really willing to wait that long. While the used camper market is super overflooded right now, there's a lot of people looking for used campers. The amount of campers that are able to fit the payload capacity for a half-ton truck are pretty limited. So I didn't have a whole lot of luck, and a little while ago I thought it would be a cool idea to try and build my own. So I wasn't really sure how I was going to go about doing it until I saw a guy online. He decided to use a ladder rack as the frame for a pop-up camper. And I thought it was a really cool idea. So I went out and bought a ladder rack from Harbor Freight and started drawing up the sketches for the camper. I'm a big fan of vagabond campers and their capabilities to have an opening to the space below the bed while you were sleeping. So I wanted to do a similar design. I also wanted to spend a lot of my time using this camper to camp in the winter and really wanted something that I could keep well insulated, so having lots of windows was not that important to me. I also work on a ship, so I thought it would be cool to incorporate things like portholes and designs that would make it feel right at home. So this is the design I settled on. On top of that, I wanted to do a little bit of light off-roading, so I wanted something that was super sturdy, super strong, that I wouldn't be worried about falling apart on back roads. So I wanted to do a documentary style series following the camper build. I see a lot of people online do very cool builds nowadays and thought this might be able to influence some people to just go at it and learn something new. So I'm starting with this video. It's just going to be the shell, and then I'm going to continue on with the roof and then closing it all in. So follow along and hope you enjoy.
Hey, buddy.
What's up guys, quick update. Yesterday we got the front panel in, the framing all closed in. Super tight. Gonna be able to silicone all the edges and keep it watertight. Side panels in. Also pretty tight. Welded in the brackets on the back side. So have to bolt those. Have to bolt those in still. Have the back brackets welded in. So the plan is I'm going to cut all of these piping off all the way down. So the original front end looks like this, has a rounded edge on each side, and it comes pretty far forward. So what I'm gonna do is completely delete this. So this is the cross member for the middle that was here. I'm gonna put this here to shorten the front end because it really isn't needed to come all the way out. The bed with just this is about 6.5 feet, which is plenty of room. It's gonna come to about here. And then what I'm gonna do is weld both ends here and here. This is gonna be the front end. Delete all of this. Well, where the roof is gonna come down is gonna be on here. We're gonna weld C-channel steel to it to allow a flat surface to build off of, and then keep working from there. What's up guys, we're back at it again. It's been about a month since I've been able to work on the camper, been back at work. Got some work done the other day. Got a lot of welding done. Welded in the joints between the front and back. So everything's starting to get real secure, real sturdy. Pretty stoked on it. The brackets are all welded together now on this side, which makes a world's difference for how sturdy the bed is gonna be. Super secure. Well, that's not secure yet, but whoops. So, want to do a little update. This side is all ready to be bolted in. Panels cut. Got the brackets welded in the other day. So this side is just about ready to be bolted in. So, gonna do that today. Gonna get the rest of the brackets nice and welded in. His bed will be just about done besides the front. And hopefully this weekend I'll be able to get it mounted onto the actual truck. Bed mounts are coming in and I can get it mounted on the truck, get everything figured out so that I'm comfortable with how it's gonna be sitting on it, and then keep working from there. So stay tuned.